This video is going to be awesome, so stay tuned. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And for more awesome videos, check out our channel. What's going on, guys? Construction Man Charlie here. And today we've got a big job ahead of us. We've got to get the coffee out of the coffee field for Mace's dad's cup of coffee. I told my construction company, for this big of a job, we're going to need some big-time construction equipment. And they spared no expense. They went to Walmart and spent $5 and got this awesome Cat mini machines set. Check it out. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got a backhoe, bulldozer, wheel loader, excavator, and of course the dump truck. So let's get this equipment out of the box and get this job started. Check it out. Here it is out of the box. We got our bulldozer, our backhoe, our dump truck, our excavator, and our front end loader. What we've got to do for this job is collect the coffee, put it in the dump truck, and then cross the bridge and dump the coffee. We're going to have to do a bunch of loads, so hopefully we can get it done. Check it out. Our front end loader's already getting started. Here comes our bulldozer, pushing some of the coffee up into a big pile to make it easy to scoop. That bulldozer has a lot of power. Wow! Here comes our front end loader again, scooping that coffee up. Well, he's got a nice load. He's going to go ahead and dump it into the dump truck. There's our dump truck waiting to have the coffee dumped into the back. Check it out. So far, so good. Here's our backhoe scooping up some of that coffee and loading it to the back of the dump truck. We've got one of the best construction crews around, so I know we should be able to get this job done on time. Another nice load in there. All right, we're going to move our first load and try to cross the bridge. Here we go, we're backing up. Everything's looking good so far. Yes, our first trip over the bridge with our first load of coffee went really good. Hopefully everything can continue to go that way. Here comes our backhoe. He's moving some of the best coffee around because we want the freshest coffee we can get for that cup of coffee. I can't get over the power that this construction equipment has. And don't forget, at $5 at Walmart, you can have this same awesome construction equipment. We're going to get a lot of awesome construction jobs done with this equipment. Totally awesome. Here comes our front end loader again. He's got him a nice load up. Check out our excavator. Getting some nice big scoops. I just checked my watch and we're still making great time. Comes our front end loader, about to dump this load into the back of the dump truck. Nice. Time to head to the bridge with our next load. Hopefully everything goes well. Here we go. Yes, another successful run. Here's our bulldozer again. Wow, that thing definitely has some awesome power. Yes, another nice scoop by the front end loader. This job is going really well. Hopefully we don't have an accident. Comes the backhoe. He's pushing that coffee up into a nice big pile. Alright, here goes our dump truck. Oh no! The dump truck crashed! Now we're going to have to move fast and get that dump truck rolled back over because we're going to be behind schedule. I've got a plan though. I got the backhoe heading out there now, and hopefully this plan will work. We're going to use the backhoe to hook the dump truck, and then we're going to call in the bulldozer to help as the backhoe pulls, and the bulldozer will push, and hopefully we can roll this dump truck over. It's really heavy. We're going to see if it works. Here we go. Awesome. It worked out perfect. Now we've got to move fast and get the dump truck reloaded and get it across that bridge so we can get back on schedule. We're going to move extra fast. Hopefully we don't have another accident. Here we go. Dump truck's on its way. Crossing the bridge. We're making up some of that time. Perfect drop off of the coffee. Wow, we made up the time and we're back on schedule. So we're going to be able to take a break. And the crew wanted to build an awesome ramp. And I told him it was okay and go ahead and do it. Here comes the bulldozer. I wonder how big they're going to make this ramp. And which piece of equipment's going to jump it. I can't wait to see this. They're almost done with the ramp. Just a couple of finishing touches. Check it out. Wow, and there goes the dump truck getting some big time air. And the backhoe's gonna try to do it. Oh, and the backhoe crashes. We've got to hurry up and get that thing flipped back over so we can finish this job. The excavator, oh wow, the excavator was able to take care of it all by himself. Back to work, guys. We've got to finish this job up and we're almost there. Everything's going real smooth. Another nice scoop by the front end loader. The blueprints are showing that this is the last load we need to complete a cup of coffee. Hopefully everything goes well. We're right on schedule. The dump truck's on its way to dump this final load. Going over the bridge. Oh no! The dump truck went off the bridge! This is a disaster. But we're going to have to move quick and we're going to have to get the other equipment just to dump the coffee. The dump truck is completely crashed out. The front end loader's finishing it up. Let's see if the backhoe can help too. Yes! Here comes the front end loader with one more load. We did it! The job is complete. Now a little magic from the kitchen crew, and here's our coffee. All that's left to do is to pour the cup of coffee, and we are completely finished. Wow, this job went awesome. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.